Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making the crust because a good base supports everything. Mix 2 cups flour and 0.5 tsp salt. Cut in 170 g cold butter until pea-size crumbs form. This gives flakiness. Add 4-6 tablespoon ice water gradually. Stop when dough holds together. Once done, divide and flatten into discs. Wrap and chill 30-60 minutes. Chilling relaxes gluten and keeps butter cold. Make sure to roll to about 1/8 thickness when ready. Now you make the filling, which controls flavor and texture. Peel and slice 6 large apples. Choose a mix of sweet and tart. Then toss with 3/4 cup sugar to draw juices. Add 1 tsp cinnamon and 1/4 tsp nutmeg for warm spice, plus 2 tablespoon lemon juice to brighten. Stir in 2 tablespoon cornstarch to thicken as it bakes. This prevents a runny pie. Once the filling is cohesive, pile it into the chilled bottom crust, making sure to leave a 1/2 rim for sealing. You assemble and bake with attention to timing and temperature. Fit the top crust or weave a lattice, then seal and crimp the 1/2 rim. Brush with egg wash for golden color. Start at 200 degrees C for 20 minutes to set crust, then reduce to 175 degrees C and bake 30-40 minutes until filling bubbles. Once done, cool at least 2 hours so the filling sets. If the crust browns too quickly, tent with foil mid-bake. This prevents burning while the center finishes cooking.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.